the Lord was like, I'm going to give you restoration. And sometimes we have to understand that this process takes time. Even when you start eating healthy or trying to correct some things in our life, it takes time to get where you want to go. It doesn't happen overnight. I want everybody to get this. Many times when we start journeys, we want things to just happen. It didn't go bad overnight. Right? Right? It's a process, right? So to reverse some things, sometimes it's a process, because let me explain another thing to you. While you're reversing things, you are being changed also. And a lot of times the Lord He don't just do things all fast for you because you want it to be done fast. Right? So while you're going through the process, you're changing, He's using that to change you. Right? Because you need to change. Because if He do it overnight, you won't change, and maybe you find yourself in the same situation again, right? So the Lord here was telling them, I'm going to bring health, healing, I'm going to heal them, but also I'm going to give you peace. Or I'm going to reveal you what peace is all about, right? Because we know, and we have discussed this before, that disease means to be diseased, and God want to give you peace. So He want to take the disease out of your life and help you to begin to have peace. Right? This is what God is saying. This is what He wants for us as children of God. Right? So He wants us to have an abundance of peace. I don't want to just have some peace. I want to have a lot of peace. Because the Lord wants us to have peace. And that's what Jesus said, my peace I leave with you. Right? My peace I give to you. Right? Not as the world giveth, I give it to you. So the Lord wants us to have peace.